Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset your Uber password. For that, just go and open your Uber app and you'll get to log in with your phone number, Apple and Google or email. And if you're using your Apple or Google, you'll need to reset their password to log into Uber. But if you are using your phone number or email, just tap on continue button, and after entering your email or phone number, and they will send you a 4-digit OTP code, and just enter that here like this, and you'll be logged into your Uber. So what I mean to say is Uber doesn't have its password. It is dependent upon one-time password, or you can log in with Facebook, Google or any other platforms. So it doesn't have its own password, and so you cannot reset its password, and you can simply log in with your OTP. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.